Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change the lock screen wallpaper on iPhone 16 Pro. To edit the lock screen wallpaper, you can just simply slide down from the left part of your screen to reveal the notification panel, then press and hold on the wallpaper. And you can either switch between already existing wallpapers like that, or you can customize these existing wallpapers or add a new wallpaper. Let's add it. Now you can choose a wallpaper from Photos, Photo Shuffle, Live Photo, Emoji, Color, Astronomy, Weather, and you can choose a wallpaper from here. I'm gonna create an emoji wallpaper, and here you can type in from 1 to 6 emojis. Let's type in a few of them. You can also change the color here, change the clock style, add widgets and change this widget. You can also change these shortcuts and the style of the wallpaper. Then click on Add, and you can either set it as wallpaper pair or customize home screen. I'm gonna customize home screen and unblur the home screen wallpaper, then tap on Done. And now you can see that I can switch between 3 wallpapers that I have. I'm gonna switch to the emoji wallpaper, and you can see it's changed. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.